I had made a decoupage dresser, and it wasn't out of my system. I had to do more. I had these 3 bedroom set pieces, and I went ahead and I took the mattress off, pulled the fabric off, and saved the fabric as a template for this bed. I went ahead and I made 3 little flowers, and I made those out of a mold and some polymer clay because I wanted to make the set go together, and then I glued the little flowers on, so it would be a bedroom set. And then I primed all the 3 pieces white, and then I went ahead and I used antique white, and I went ahead and painted that. And you can see that now it looks like it all goes together. Then I took this napkin that I had, pulled it apart so it was 1 ply, and cut out the flowers I wanted to use, and started arranging it onto my pieces, and I used Mod Podge and a flat brush, and started decoupaging. And this is the way it came out. I just couldn't stop. I went ahead and did the bed and the dresser and the little nightstand. I did the drawer. And then I went ahead and took some antique gold paint and just kind of dabbed it around to give it a more finished look. And then I was on to doing the bed ruffle and the comforter. Here I have the comforter where it's glued with Stitch Fix. And then I have it turned inside out. It's ironed, and then I went ahead with the foil and the felt. Went ahead and got that together and then fitted it onto the bed, and it fit really nice. And this material, I think, matched the napkin pretty good. Then to give the comforter a more finished look, I went ahead and took some blue ribbon, thin blue ribbon, and put it around the comforter. And then I gathered the dust ruffle, put some ribbon on that too, and then gathered it so that it would be ruffled. And then I went ahead and I glued the dust ruffle on from the underneath, and it's very, very ruffly. And then I went ahead and fit the comforter over it. I also did a little polka dot sheet to cover the mattress that came with the bed. And I think it's looking pretty good. But I needed some pillows. And I didn't want to do like a pillowcase with with the pillow inside. I just wanted some throw pillows. So I made 3, 2 that matched the comforter, and then 1 in just the little polka dot that matched the other piece. And then I had this little blue rug, and I went ahead and I put that there, and I thought that that brought it all together really nicely. I did paint the nightstand, the door of it. I went ahead and did it like a light blue just to break up some of the dark blue, and I think that it came out good. Then I had this little stool, and it was pink flowered, and I had it for a while and I wasn't using it, so I went ahead and I reupholstered it. It was very, very easy. Just cut the fabric out, glued it, put some little cording around it, just for a little something else. And here's some close-ups. This is how it looks. There's my little flower that I made out of the polymer clay and the mold. And there it is, all the decoupage where I cut the napkin up. And then there's the nightstand. It has a little lamp, little alarm clock, and a book. Accessorizing is the best. And then here's the dresser. I had a little blue vase, so I painted some flowers yellow. I always thought yellow and blue looked really nice together. And then these are just some little Temu pieces. Everything here is from Temu, all of it. And if you can see the one with the little lipstick and the little brush, too cute. And here it is all together with the pillows and the little stool. And I do think that it really looks like a really nice bedroom set. It looks French. That wasn't how it was supposed to set out to look, but I think that's kind of how it turned out looking. And I really, really like it. And here's another angle of how it looks. It's really pretty, and after doing this, I think I'm okay with decoupage for now. I think I'll move on to something else. But it is really fun, and give it a try. It's not hard, and it really gives everything a unique piece. Nobody else will have this.